Rice pudding ingredients: 1 1/2 cups cooked rice, 1/4 cup raisins, 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups whole milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Additional milk optional. Directions: place rice and raisins in a greased 1-quart casserole dish. In a small bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, sugar, and nutmeg. Pour over rice. Bake, uncovered, at 375 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes, or until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean, then allow to cool. Pour milk over each serving if desired. Refrigerate leftovers. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you don't miss a yummy recipe.